Hello, welcome. This is this Zkteco campus, and this video 4. We've already create some rules about this company. You see here just test work type. Work type actually is not it's a parameter, some parameter here. If you see here, that means you can edit it with unknown word, weekend, day off, and overtime, leave. What do we want to see this? That means a day of OD, weekend W, holiday A's, leave L, overtime OT, etc. If you want to change by your own, you can easily change this. Okay, and you can easily change, and you can use this as like you. If you want to unknown, if you want to leave L. Anything it's overtime OT. No, it's anything it's okay. And then the state is a same. Uh, State is also same. So this you see required work, actual work, round work, OT 1 to 3, dating, early out. If you want to change it, you can change as per you want to change it. But you don't want to change. Actually, it's when you learn something, you didn't change this. But when you is a expert, then you change. It will be help you for understand this. Okay, let's see how to. Next video will see how to use these parameters. Okay, balance. It's a report symbol, sick level, sick. How many days sick leave your company? Vacation holidays, how many day vacation holidays in your company? Okay. Sick leave, I think is a 10 days. Okay, I just put here 10 days. Then vacation holiday, vacation also in 10 days. And personal leave also in 5 days or 10 days. Okay. Just as a rules, it's one concept rules. If you just tested this, is my company rules is this. If you want to agree, you will here without now business leave missing time. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about this, just comment us. We try to